So when you do Pilates with props, it helps you get the support you need to do exercises. For example, I have the Bosu on my mat, and I'm gonna sit in front of the Bosu. My bum is like up to the rim, but on this nice cushy mat. Now a roll up is a super slow Pilates sit up. It's hard to do without any assistance, okay? You can do it with spring tension, with weights in the hands, a lot of different variations, but this one's my favorite. So if you sit crisscross applesauce, your hips are open, and I'm gonna raise my arms up, I'm gonna roll all the way back down. Namaste to that, my friends. And you can do arm circles like this. Shh. That releases the spine, my head is resting. Now if I wanna do the roll up, I'm gonna float my arms over the chest. Inhale, exhale, pull it together, you're gonna sweep, lift, all the way up and over, okay? Now this is spine twist I'm doing, adding in here. Anyways, if you lift up, and you're gonna relax the shoulders and you roll back down, 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 and all the way back. So you can use momentum. You can sweep, lift, let it go. Sweep, lift, let it go. And one more time, shh. And then of course we can rotate through the thoracic spine to get a nice gentle stretch. And there you have it, the roll up on the Bosu.